Hello everyone, this is Lord45586. Testing if the sound on Amnesia will work, because when I tested with the Minecraft video, the sound was working, and I don't know what to say now. Probably by tomorrow, maybe, I'll play a custom story. I got rid of my other ones because they weren't really scary, and plus I've seen them before, so I know how they ended. But I'm gonna try and what should I do? I'm gonna probably play White Knight, maybe. That is, if I'm not much of a big baby, or play the custom story, My Love. I kind of like I pretty much love the custom story because, oh, sorry, I hit my mic, because, well, it's an interesting story, and the person, and the voice actor for the main character is Kayak Monkey, so he did a let's play on, or he did a let's play on that already, so I'll put a link in the description, or as the chicken, as Cart likes to say nowadays. But sadly, we don't really know about that yet. So updates. Tomorrow I will be playing this, and I recently got my own cell phone. So I'm happy. More or less. Let's see here. If you guys want to hear like one of my ringtones, let's see here. Here it is. Got a call, so pick up the phone. Come on, you've got a call. Hey, hey. So yeah, that was one of my ringtones. So I hope you guys could hear that. Well, anyways, and I think I figured out how to record over 10 minutes. I think. Not sure. So tomorrow I will put up not a Minecraft video. Oh no, I only play Minecraft with Cart, and okay, I'm gonna be putting up an Amnesia video. That's what I mean, and I'm so tempted to play some music, but you guys heard enough music for today, haven't you? It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and surprisingly, I'm not really tired. It takes a lot to make me tired. Let's see here. I have to listen to like really slow music. Like I have to listen to slow songs by the Beatles or whatnot, or Steely Dan. I listen to a lot of like 60s through 90s music. Sometimes nowadays music, but nowadays music doesn't really. I mean, it isn't really good. I can talk. Well, yeah. There's really not much to say now. What to do? Oh, let's see. Alt tab. I'm not running it with Steam, so God dang it. What did I do? Shoot. This always happens to me. Anyways. Later guys. Expect an actual Amnesia video tomorrow. Because I just don't want to post it today. Because it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I don't want a jump scare. Even though I'm not even gonna play a jump scare game. Yeah. Laters.